To do digital whiteboarding on OnePanel, we can open up SmartCanvas. As you can see, the background doesn't always have to be white. SmartCanvas allows for multi-point touch for easy collaboration. So let's go on to the next page. There's an inbuilt ruler and protractor for an easy way to make straight lines and perfect circles. This is super handy if you're doing something more technical. If you make a mistake, no problem, just use the eraser to take away what you don't need. So let's move on to a new page and make it a full screen whiteboard. A powerful tool in SmartCanvas is being able to add digital content right into your file. So there's 3 different ways to do this. The first way is by inserting an image right from your local drive. You can pinch to zoom and rotate, and also long press to see a drop-down menu of more options. The second way to add digital content is through through a screenshot. Just click and drag over the area that you would like and click the green check. Feel free to do some annotations right over your photos. So we're going to add a new page to talk about the last way to add digital content. This way is great for brainstorming. So to do this, it's an online image search. So you can search up whatever you need, such as future cars. So if we're discussing some future technology and we want to actually see what we're talking about, we can click a couple different photos that we want inserted into our file. Once they're inserted, feel free to move them around for an easy discussion. Now that your whole discussion is complete and it's time to go, there's a couple different ways to save. You can save this QR code either by the current page or by saving every page. You can also send it as an email. Once this QR code is generated, just take your phone out and scan the QR code to get the whole file downloadable as a PDF.